I'm going to show you how to do conditional formatting on the effect sizes you have previously calculated. You might recognize this table. This is the table I've also used in my instructional video for how to calculate an effect size. On the effect sizes you see on these 14 students, I'm now going to calculate conditional formatting. Conditional formatting in Visible Learning is used by using 4 different effect size bands. First, we're going to select the entire range of effect sizes, which is this here. You're going to do that by holding your left mouse button down, clicking the first student, Oscar, down to the last student, Ellie. We're going to click here on conditional formatting. What we're going to do is select highlight cell rules. And we're going to be doing the first one, which is less than 0.0, so any student who has regressed. And we're going to be selecting less than, and we're going to be typing here 0.0. Now, Visible Learning uses a certain set of colorings, which is what I'm going to be using here. However, feel free to use your own colorings to differentiate between the different effect size bands. So here I'm going to be selecting custom format. Regressed, we're using anything black, and the font we are using white. And to make it more clear, I'm going to be selecting bold. Click OK, and again OK. You can see that we have 3 students here that have regressed in their results. We're going to do exactly the same thing now for the second conditional formatting. Select your range, go to conditional formatting, and now we're going to be selecting between. We're going to be selecting between 0.00 and 0.399. Anything basically just below 0.4. And I am going to make that pink. Again, go to custom format, select fill, more colors. This is a good pink. Select OK. Go to font. Again, I'm going to be using white here. And to make it more clear with white, it is always better to use select bold and click OK. And select OK. There are no students who fall into this effect size band. Conditional formatting has not highlighted any effect sizes. Now the third effect size. Again, go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, and again select the between option. We're going to be selecting 0.4 to 0.799, anything that is just below 0.8. And I'm going to make that blue. Custom format. We're going to go to fill. I'm going to select this blue and select OK. Considering we're now not going to go back to font, this means that the standard black font is fine. Select OK. And again, OK. You can see now that we have a few blue colorings. Again, select the entire range, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and now anything that's greater than 0.8. Custom format. I am going to be making this green and select OK. And again, OK. You can see here now that we have fully formatted the entire range of effect sizes. Now I'm going to sort them by their effect size. Now to do that, what I'm going to do is select the top row, go to sort and filter. Now what I'm going to do first is click this button, filter. Now select on the arrow down and sort now from smallest to largest. Now to visually represent this in a graph, we're going to be doing the following. So anything that is less than 0.0, anything between 0.0 and 0.399, anything between 0.4 and 0.79, and anything that's greater than 0.8. Now we can see here that we only have 3 black effect sizes. We have 0 pink effect sizes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue effect sizes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green effect sizes. Now, if you have a very big table and you don't particularly fancy going through the entire list and calculating it by hand, what you can also do is select the entire range, and below here you see count 6. So you see here how many you have been able to count. Now what we're going to do is add this up. We're going to be starting with the equal sign, typing in sum, and then open bracket, and select this range, close bracket, enter. 14 students. Obviously we knew here that we had 14 students, but I'm showing you this so that you're able to do this for 1, 2, 3, or 4 combined classes where you don't necessarily know the total number of students. Now we're going to be calculating the percentage. What we're going to do here is an equal sign. We're going to be dividing this by the total, which is 14. Select enter. Go to the bottom right corner, wait until the cross appears, hold your left mouse button down and drag it all the way down. Select the percentage button, and there you go. Your percentages are calculated. Now what I would like to see is this in a pie graph. To do that, we're going to select this range. Now hold your control button down and also select this range. You can let go now. Go to Insert, Pie, and select any pie you like. I'm just going to choose the basic pie, which is a 2D pie. And there you go, a pie chart. Now what you can do is visually represent this with the colors that you have chosen for your pie chart, for your effect sizes. Therefore, this would be made black, which you do by formatting data point, go to Fill, Solid Fill, and choose Black, close. Your green one is supposed to be blue, so Format Data Point, Fill, Solid Fill, blue. And now the last one, which is supposed to be green. Format Data Point, Fill, Solid Fill, green.